So, a lot of writers do not know, but Reddit is actually a great place to be as a writer. It's a good place to meet other writers and to meet potential clients who might want to hire you. In fact, there's a particular subreddit that is called Hire a Writer, where people can go and post writing jobs and get found there. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use Reddit as a writer. It's going to be very descriptive, so I'm going to be turning over to my screen in a bit so I can show you and we chat about it as I show you. All right. By the way, in case you're seeing this channel for the first time, I talk about writing and how you can monetize your writing career. So if this is something that interests you, you want to hit the subscribe button so that you continue to see all of my videos. All right, without wasting much time, let's go into the video. So the first thing you want to do is sign up on Reddit if you don't have an account. I have one, although this account is very new, but yeah, you can sign in. Basically put in a username, use your email address, password, and that's it, the basic stuff, right? Once you sign in, you'd have a profile and you can now engage on the activities that happen on Reddit. Okay, now you have the opportunity to create a pop-up profile. You can have like your photo on Reddit. You can have a description showing what you do as a freelance writer. You can subtly sell yourself here. Okay, you can also add social links. If you have other social media platforms, you can link them here so people can follow you on other platforms or connect with you there if they see that. Okay, but the idea is just to use this place to kind of brand yourself, let people know who you are by looking at your profile and what you do. All right, so what you can do with Reddit, you can actually create a post. Exactly, you can create a post, text, image and videos, links, or even a poll on Reddit. Okay, just put in your title, write the body of your message and post it. The thing with Reddit is you don't post when you're posting, you post in a particular subreddit, like a community. That's r/whatever it is, and there are different communities. You can find them by just searching. You can search for freelance or books or whatever, and they'll show you a list of communities there. So you choose the one that you think is more suitable to you, and then they always have rules by the side. Okay, so you check their rules because they are very strict on Reddit. If you miss any of their rules, then they will take down your post very quickly. So you want to check and be sure that you align with all of them. Then you make your post and your post will automatically appear on that subreddit. Okay, so the thing about Reddit is you don't need to have like a large following or something. If you just make the right posts, people would notice you quickly. Right now, Reddit has something called upvotes and downvotes. Upvotes is if people like your post, they would upvote it, and the more upvotes you have, the more your chances of your post getting seen. All right, so if you make a valuable post, a lot of people will upvote it and it will be recommended to more people, and people can just see more of you. You can also make comments on Reddit. You can leave a comment, a smart comment. Please, when you're leaving a comment, make sure it's a very smart one. Leave a comment that aligns with what they have said. And you can also join subreddits. There are so many subreddits available. You can check for them if you're a food enthusiast, car, toys, books, travel, whatever it is. You can search for it. You definitely find the subreddit there. Then you can look at them, look at their profile. If it's something you like, you can join them, right? When you join subreddits, they would recommend their posts to you. Obviously, when you open your homepage, you'll see the people that you have joined. They would show up on your post. Okay, and then also sometimes other people will show up if their post is like viral, just the same way you see a viral post, even if you're not following the person on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. It's the same thing here. Now, one thing that Reddit has that really favors writers is that they have a subreddit that is called Hire a Writer. So people come on this subreddit, and then if they want a writer, they just put it out there looking for a writer. They put the description, and you can actually reach out to them if you're interested. So if you come on this, it's a good idea to, of course, join this subreddit as a writer, because you'd see jobs like this. All right, you can apply. You can also help people share their job posts. Now the thing is that with Reddit, you can also start chatting with them. So if someone makes a post, you can enter their DMs and say, oh, I saw your post, I would like to write for you, prove yourself, send your links and all of that. So it's a proper platform where you can actually get jobs quite easily. Remember that there are very strict rules on Reddit, so always check the rules before you enter someone's DM or type a message or make a comment or whatever it is. All right, Now, there's something else that happens on Reddit that is very interesting. It's called Ask Me Anything, AMA. It's an interesting session where you get to ask people anything basically, and you know that people on Reddit, they love conversation. They love a good conversation, just like LinkedIn. If you have a good conversation that stirs other conversation, is something that will thrive properly. So this is a good place to also talk about what you do. Remember that Reddit is not the place where you want to sell yourself, to be honest. They don't front, you don't front what you do, you don't come to openly sell. However, if you do things the right way, you'll be able to sell very naturally without even selling, right? So yeah, basically as a writer on Reddit, all you want to do is write. You want to share your opinion, you want to share your ideas, you want to comment smartly, you want to apply for jobs if you see them, and you just want to keep steering interesting conversation. This way people would eventually notice you, notice your posts, notice the things that you're writing about, and can easily come into your DM and request to work with you. So yes, guys, don't sleep on Reddit. Whatever it is you're doing, make sure you include Reddit as your freelance platform. It's a great place to post, connect, and even learn freelance gigs. Thank you so much for staying till the end of my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.